Welcome back to Wicked F150. So today's video, of course, is sponsored by F150 LEDs. If I can find it, there it is. This is actually a really simple install, just kind of something to make the truck better in its own way, actually for use. The bed, of course, has lighting, right? The lighting up there. And of course they come with their horrible halogen bulbs that don't really light anything up. Pardon me. You don't really be able to see anything in the bed anyway. Now, of course, they are swapped out with cheap junk LEDs off Amazon that I found. Now, they're still white, but the longevity and stuff like that, I mean, no. So we're going with F150 LEDs. Their quality's top-notch. You can't beat the customer service, nor the shipping. I'm telling you. It's here within 2 or 3 days from the time it was shipped. Nothing gets here that fast. Even Amazon Prime sometimes. But let's go ahead and get them changed out. It's super simple. Let's do it. So, of course, here are the sets of bulbs. Now, this one is for the brake light, and these are for the cargo lights, which will actually light up the bed, which is a nice thing, of course. That's exactly what you want. You will need a screwdriver, drill if you have one, and a Torx bit. We will find out which Torx bit, or you can use a flathead. That really doesn't matter. It's up to you which one you want to use. As you can see, there's 4 of them, and Torx or flat. So let's find out the Torx. So it's actually a T20 Torx bit, and just unscrew it. Like I said, there's 4 of them. And when you go to put them back in, you want to make sure that they are lined up properly and you don't over tighten them. You just want to get them in tight enough that it seals it up, but not too tight so it goes through it. Now that all 4 out, you just pull it up. Good to go. And then you see it's connected with that one wire there. You just twist it out like any other bulb and swap them out. I will be leaving this one, the driver's side, in to do a comparison here once it's dark, so you guys can see the difference between a cheap Amazon LED and then F150 LEDs. All right, so I just took out the brake bulb. Now, of course, they look, I mean, the bulbs aren't between the F150, between the brake and the cargo lights. They're not that different. But look at the difference between the Amazon bulb and the F150 LED bulb. Which one do you think is going to put out more light? Let's put them in. All right, so now the brake light and the passenger side cargo light are switched over to F150 LEDs. While it's daylight, let's see the difference. The driver is still the Amazon one. So which one puts out more light? Standing right here, you can still see the lens on this one. Not on this one, because this is putting out so much more light. I mean, you can tell even in the daylight that this one's a lot brighter. And that's exactly what you want. That is the point of the cargo light, is to light up the cargo area, not still have it a little dim. Like I said, give me a little bit till the sky darkens, and we will see at night when it really matters. All right. Which one looks brighter? You can see there's more light on this side on the roll-up tonneau cover, which, for sale by the way, than there is on this side. Plenty of light in the bed. You can see the dark spot here, and this one on this side shining bright. Well, turn it back on. Okay, so obviously F150 LEDs is the way to go. Again, Amazon bulb, F150 LEDs. You can see the difference. You can see it in the cargo area. Definitely worth the money. Again, it's just simple. 4 bolts, or screws, I guess. T20 Torx or a flathead. You pull them out. All 4. Remember, do not tighten too far. Just until they're snug. You don't want to crack the plastic or anything like that. Pull the chip bulb out, put a new chip bulb in. It is that simple. That is it for the install. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, the link will be in the description below. Cargo lights. And again, no dark spots on this side now. Because, of course, both lights are now changed out to the awesome ones from F150LEDs.com. I mean, you can see the difference in the video. Check them out. Of course, they have any of your lighting needs for the F-150. Obviously, the third brake light, cargo lights, tail lights. They have cubes for your bumper to help backing up for your camera. Headlights, fog lights, high beams, low beams, of course. 2 light bars up front for the front of the truck. Interior ambient lighting, cup holder lighting, center console lighting, all kinds of stuff. Check them out. Great company to work with, great customer service, super fast shipping. I mean, you really can't beat it. Now, I did have on the interior ambient light kit video, a guy pointed out that I did not go through the colors and all of that. So I will do that now to show you guys what all it can do. All right, let's get in here. Get the overhead light off so you can see. All right, remote on. That's red, of course. But let's go through the colors here. Now let's turn this on so you can see the remote. Focus. You can make it brighter, dimmer. Now this is at full brightness. Red is a duller color. You'll see on the white that it definitely gets brighter. But colors on, off, dim, and the modes that you can do to go with music and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and turn the light back off and go through the colors. Green, blue, white. Now you see how much brighter the white looks than the red. This would be a color that I would dim the lights just a little bit. This it's a little bright driving down the highway or something like that. Orange, yellow, I believe that's purple. Maybe I got the blue and purple mixed up. No, there's purple. All right. Cayenne, C-Y-A-N. Not sure how to say that, but that's what the one before the purple was. There we go. All right, now let's put on a music mode. First one. All right, so there was music to go along with this. It's kind of a slower one, but it'll go through all the
video.
colors. You can see how it's
YouTube
changing.
apparently
Second one
recognized the song on the radio, and it was flagged for copywriting. So sorry that there's no music, and it's just me talking, but at least I told you what was going on as to why there's no music. But as you can see, the lights are blinking and moving with what would be music.
You can hear that's the same tune.
At least you can see it works.
Again, it goes with the music.
As well with, I did forget to add this in, the rear light. Everybody likes to smoke their rear brake lights, or anybody that would like to smoke their rear brake lights. Aftermarket options really suck, so that is going to be in another video, smoking the third brake light and cargo lights, and see how
put it on a single color again.
LEDs,
that's how you turn it off.
Shine through.
And let's go
they
to
are that awesome.
The jumper ones.
So that will be coming up, of course. Hopefully this weekend with a
instead of the fading
grill video, which is towards the end of the video. I'll explain that.
Also with the music.
So don't
it is pretty
know what
cool.
else to say to you guys, because it's still going for the music, and I gotta
really
cancel it out.
I really like it. Like I said, they do have it for the console.
I hope you guys do like the channel.
The cup holders
there's
themselves.
still a lot of things
planned
planned if I can get them done.
To check them
and
out.
that's it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Yep.
Now, the rest of this video, I must discuss the next couple things that are happening. So, of course, I said in a prior video about the grill that you can see is still sitting here with one piece missing. The shipper did send it out, and it should be delivered Saturday again by FedEx. So therein lies the issue. I was supposed to get it two Saturdays ago, and by FedEx. So we'll see if it is actually delivered this Saturday.
If so, and as long as I am happy with it, this one will, of course, be for sale. Possibly already have a buyer. So if you're interested, please just hit up the Facebook page and send a message there, and I will get back to you if it's sold or not. But that's not it. That's coming this weekend, of course, hopefully. But there is some true custom work being done for this truck that will start tomorrow. It is by a local shop. You may have heard of them if you watch the videos, the Iron Goat Garage here in Yukon, Oklahoma. They are a custom fab shop. They do all kinds of work. So I had an idea. Instead of buying a run-of-the-mill item for this truck, I came up with an idea, discussed it with them, and they are custom making this item for this truck. And I cannot wait to see the work that they do. The guys there, they're amazing guys, the nicest people you could ever meet, and absolutely willing to do anything to help you with your vehicle. It doesn't matter what it is, they can do it. Trucks, Jeeps, SUVs, it doesn't matter. They've done RVs, semis, so it's really endless. Check them out. They actually just had a Scout Jeep at SEMA last week, which turned out amazing. Check them out, Iron Goat Garage. Of course, the link will be in the description, but I cannot wait for that to come in. I'm super excited about it. And then, possibly next week, as long as the weather holds up, another interior change, which is, again, a pretty big change. I'm not sure how many big changes you can do to the interior, but I would consider this a very big change coming up, hopefully next weekend, as long as the weather cooperates and all of that. So hit the like and subscribe button, follow the channel, make sure you hit the bell so you get notified of the new videos. And I hope you all have a great weekend, beautiful weekend, fun weekend, safe weekend. And don't forget, check out F150LEDs.com in the description. Iron Goat Garage in the description. See y'all next time.